Hello friends, in today's lecture we will discuss the classification of hydroelectric power plants. So basically hydroelectric power plants are classified on number of bases. So today we are discuss about the classification based on water head and classification based on load. So basically the classification based on water head is categorized into three parts: low head, medium head and high head. So we'll discuss about the classification based on your head. So high head plants. First we will discuss about the high head. Due to high head, the small amount of water can produce large amount of power. These type of plants are very economical. The reservoir is found at the top of the mountain and the powerhouse is found at the foot. The heads above 500 meter are normally considered as a high head. Pelton wheel turbine is used for this purpose. Okay, so head is nearly 500 meter and more. In case of medium head, the larger amount of water, the quantity of water is more, volume of water is more, is required for this medium head. The reservoir capacity is large. Okay, the water is carried in this power plant. The water is carried from the reservoir to the penstock through the 4-bay. So for medium head, we are going to use a 4-bay to carry the water from reservoir to the penstock. There is no need of surge tank as 4-bay itself act as the surge tank. So mostly in case of the medium head, you will not find the surge tank over there. Instead of surge tank, you can observe there the 4-bay which will act as the surge tank. So what type of turbines are used for the medium head? Francis turbine, Kaplan turbine and propeller turbines are commonly used for medium head power plants. The head for medium head power plant is nearly in between 100 meter to 500 meter. Then next one is the low head power plant. Low head requires larger volume of water than high and medium head power plant to produce the same amount of power. Okay, the reservoir capacity will be large. So what type of turbines are used over there? So Francis turbine, Kaplan turbine, propeller turbines are commonly used for the low head power plants. And for case of low head power plant, the head is less than 100 meter. So basically low head power plant requires large quantity of water and head is nearly 100 meter or less than 100 meter. For medium head, it requires large quantity of water and head is 100 to 500 meter. And high head turbines or high head power plants required comparatively lesser quantity of water, but the head is nearly more than 500 meter. Now we will discuss the basic classification based on the load. So basically hydroelectric power plant based on the loads are classified into peak load plant and your base load plant. Now what is peak load plant and what is the base load plant? So in case of base load plant, this type of plants involve the continuous power generation. So it will generate, the hydroelectric power plant will run 24/7 basis. It will continuously run. The hydraulic power plants are base load plants are backbone of the load satisfied by the system. So as they are continuously running, so they will act as a backbone of your power system. Okay. Now what happened in India? We have very limited base load plant as the water availability in India is a major problem. So most of our power plants are peak load plants. Now in peak load plants, the power plant is the power plant is operated to meet the peak demand. Then it is called as the peak load plant. In general, pump storage power plants are the peak load plant. In this type of power plant, the same water is utilized again and again by pumping back during the off peak hours. Okay, so in peak load power plant, we will operate the power plant only during the peak load. So normally during evening hours, we are going to operate this power plant. Now why hydropower plants are referred as a peak load plant? If you are going to consider the thermal power plant, the starting time of thermal power plant is nearly 24 to 48 hours. Means if I want to start the thermal power plant from just starting point, means from transporting, just putting the coal inside the boiler to the generation of electricity, it requires 18 to 48 hours. But my hydropower plant can be start within few seconds. Okay, I need to just open the turbine. Sorry, I need to just open the wall, and my water will flow through the fan stroke, which will make an impact with the turbine blades, and within few seconds my power plant is in operation. So for that purpose, these power plants are preferred as the peak load plant. Okay, so these are the classification of hydropower plant based on load. Now in the next lecture we will discuss the power plant classification of the power plant based on their location.